Hi again, everybody. It's Monday, November 28th, 2022. Looking at the Astro Excel chart for the week, the setup is we've moved from above the 10 line on Friday and we're opening just inside the minus 10 line last night and into this morning. You can see the market traded down overnight with that weekend negative pressure. Now for Monday and Tuesday, we're staying below the zero line, so we're going to have some slightly negative pressure, even though the green line and the blue line are pretty much flatlining all through the day today on the 28th. The blue line is going to pick up at the end of the session this evening, the start of the next session at 1800. Both lines push up slightly. The blue line pushes up and it's going to peak out at about 1:30 a.m. on the early morning of the 29th. And then we're kind of flat through the rest of Tuesday after that bump. Then both lines start moving up around 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. Both of those lines are moving up throughout the day Tuesday. It peaks out around 2200 Tuesday night, and then both lines go flat into Wednesday and turn down around 3 a.m. We've got downward pressure Wednesday until about 10 a.m. and then things tend to turn sideways and flat throughout the rest of that day. A little downward pressure here at the start of the night session on the 30th. And then as we move toward December 1st, Thursday, we start to see that upward pressure building up to about the plus 10 line where that flattens out. And then as we get into the 1800 hour Thursday night and move into Friday's trading, we're pushing down. We bottom out about 3 a.m. here on the green line. Then we get a little push up, push back down, and then we're flat until we trade up the last couple hours of the day on Friday into the close. So there's the outlook for the week on the Astro Excel. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow.